Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Tom Yum Ramen. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh aromatics like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves to build that signature Tom Yum base. Don't forget your choice of ramen noodles and a protein, perhaps some succulent shrimp or firm tofu. Finally, ensure you have fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and a good quality chili paste for that perfect balance of spicy, sour, and savory. Now, let's create that vibrant Tom Yum broth. Begin by gently sautéing your prepared aromatics in a pot with about 1 tablespoon of oil until they release their wonderful fragrance. Next, pour in 4 cups of your chosen chicken or vegetable broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, stir in fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and chili paste, adjusting the amounts until you achieve your desired balance of spicy, sour, and salty. With our broth simmering, it's time to prepare the other components. Cook your ramen noodles according to the package instructions, ensuring they are perfectly al dente. While the noodles cook, you can quickly blanch your chosen protein like shrimp and any vegetables directly in the simmering Tom Yum broth for a minute or two. Once everything is ready, carefully arrange the cooked noodles in a serving bowl, add your protein and vegetables, and then ladle over the hot, aromatic broth. To finish your masterpiece, garnish your Tom Yum ramen with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a bright lime wedge. For those who love an extra kick, a drizzle of chili oil can elevate the heat and flavor even further. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and incredible aroma before diving in. This dish is truly a treat for the senses. And hey, for more great deals and to check out that Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.